I believe it was 1961, the Soviet government finally allowed for an official, a major Yiddish publication to start appearing in Moscow. Sovetish Heymland was a monthly magazine, and it was probably the most, at least it was the most conspicuous thing about Soviet Yiddish culture. This magazine was filled with all kinds of, shameless Soviet propaganda. And this was one of the main reasons for its creation, because this magazine was supposed to circulate all around the Yiddish-speaking world in places like South Africa and Argentina, the United States, and this was supposed to be a source of a convenient way to spread Soviet propaganda around the Jewish world. And it was also supposed to quiet those Soviet sympathizers or potential Soviet sympathizers who were a little concerned about the lack of freedom for Jewish culture in the Soviet Union. So the Soviet government could very conveniently point to Sovetish Heymland and say, look, we have a Yiddish journal with submissions from young Jewish writers, poets, with beautiful design, beautiful illustrations,